Do you want to see Doraemon doing the dance performance together with Suzuka, Sunio, Giant, and also Nobita? Okay, before that, check this out. No other people have witnessed this. Only Michael Jackson have done this, and Michael Jackson and also Doraemon. Do you want to see Doraemon doing the moonwalk? Do you want to see Doraemon doing the moonwalk? Check this out. Alright then, ladies and gentlemen, one more time for Doraemon and friends. Here comes the chance for you to actually make your way up at the stage area to take photo once again. Hey folks. Alright then. Here's the chance. This is what we'll be telling. Now those people right here, they already started lining up from today 6 a.m. Yes, me and my life. Okay. Now guys, we allow the first 30 family that is already lining up here, plus the winners of the dance performance earlier on. That family will be coming up first. Now, if you want to use your own camera, also can to come up and take photos together with your favorite characters here. Or you can also use our professional cameraman right now. Right now, this is 25 ringgit. Or if you want to get yourself the touch and go card, this is 20 ringgit. Okay, you can also personalize your touch and go. I don't know who's this girl. Let me put back. You can actually personalize your touch and go card address for 20 ringgit at the touch and go card area. Thank you very much for the show time. Now, right now, where's the winners? Think of that winners. Come on, winners. The winners of the dance. So you think you can dance now? By the way, we already have the first 30 family already lining up. Okay, so those who haven't got a chance, don't worry, because we have the appearance of Giant.